How can you easily call your friends on WhatsApp without even leaving the chat? WhatsApp lets you make calls directly from the chat window or through the contact list, which makes the process much faster. Watch this video till the end and I will show you how to use the WhatsApp calling feature effectively. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Simply click on its icon. Afterwards, tap on the Calls tab just right here and click on the phone icon to the right from the contact that you want to call. And also you can call from a chat. Open the chat with the person you want to call and just click on the phone icon in the top right corner of your screen and the call will start. And now you pretty much know how to make calls on WhatsApp with ease. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That motivates me to keep creating even more useful content for you. Thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.